So guys, hello, I made let's get the scissors and cut it. So I cut it. Now let's get all the things out. Uh, oh, it's the bird. Let's cut the bird. Oh, look, the bird is so cute. It's the food bird. Let's get it out. Wow, so cute. Wait, you can look at its mouth. So cute. Let's throw the package. Now let's get the food bowl out. Let me snip. So I cut it. Let's get it. Oh! It was kind of hard to get it out. Oh, bathtub. Well, let's get this out there. Bird food. Yeah, let's snip. Okay, so I got it out. Now, let's pour the food. Is it complete? Yeah. Now let's make the bird eat it. Ah. Oh, it's completely done. Yum. The bird loved the food. Look, it's finished. Uh, there's still some in the packet. And now let's get the bathtub up. Bye. So I cut it. Now let's get the stuff out. Is there more? Nope. Everything is out. Look at the tiny tower. The bathtub was folded. Yeah. So guys, let's put the bird inside the bathtub. I'll put it in off camera. Okay, so I put it in. Let's put eye drops on the bird. Yeah, let's close it. Where did the cap go? Oh yeah, the book. So I found the cap. Yeah, let's throw it away. And where did the shower go? Oh my god, there it is. Let's shower it. Yeah, let's rub it. Now let's get it out. I think we had soap. Yeah, there's soap. Let's wash it off. We showered the bird 2 times. Yeah, so I showered this part and also this part. So we complete shower. Yeah, as I said, we make the bird shower 2 times. So let's soap. Yeah, so we're done soaping. It's time for wash. Put it in the bath off camera. So guys, I changed my mind. I want to put it in the bath. Let's wash. Yeah, so we're done. Let's wash a bit more. There's some excess of meat. The bird. Pet. So cute. Squishy. Let's put some eye drops. Don't mind this. Yeah, let's put it away. So, Yeah. So put the item. Blah 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 blah. Time to put the cap back on. Yeah. Let's now feed it bird food. Putting on the like bathtub. I mean bathtub stuff away. Oh wait, I forgot to like remove the bird's water on. Yes, so let's squeeze the water out. So the water's out. Let's put all the things back in, also the soap. Yeah. So it's time to put bird food. Uh, yeah, inside the food bowl. Yes, we did a lot of food. Why isn't it coming out? The food packet. Is it? Yeah, finally. Casually flies away. Oh no, my bird fly away. Let's capture it. You're my bird. So bye bye guys. Subscribe or die. Or you're gonna get shooted by this gun. Subscribe or get shot by this gun. Get killed by this gun. Don't think why the trigger is missing. My sister ripped it off. Die. So that's gonna happen to you if you don't subscribe. So subscribe or